Today we are going to be learning about sounds. When we hear a sound, this is when something somewhere is vibrating. The vibration is what makes the sound. Vibrating is when something is moving very fast. That means that when we talk, there must be a vibration. David, try putting your hand on your throat and see what happens when you try talking. Now, David, try saying, I feel vibration.
I feel vibration.
Now, when he said this, he could feel on his throat the vibration, couldn't you? Now, vibration is on our throats and it is on musical instruments. Let's look at some musical instruments and see how they vibrate. So now we have brought a musical instrument called a clarinet. We've also brought somebody to play it for us. Now, his name is Jackson. He's one of my friends. Jackson, will you play us one note on the clarinet now? Now, how do you think this clarinet works? Now, Jackson, if you show them the wood reed on the clarinet, right here, this wood reed vibrates, and that is what makes the sound. Do you want to play us a few more notes now? So the reason that this instrument works is because the wood reed on the clarinet vibrates. Now here I've brought a guitar. Now on this guitar, it has 6 strings. Each of these strings makes a sound. When I pluck the string, it vibrates. I can watch it vibrate, and I can see that that is what makes the sound on this guitar. Now, David, try touching a part of this guitar as I play. Could you feel it vibrate? So David could feel the vibration as the guitar made the sound. It's neat on this guitar that all of the strings make different sounds. This is because all of the strings on the guitar are different sizes. Now let's review what we learned. Today we learned about sounds. We learned that sounds come from something vibrating. We learned that vibrating is when something is moving back and forth very fast. We learned that on clarinets, the wood reed vibrates to make it sound. And we learned that on guitars, the strings vibrate to make it sound. And we learned that we can feel our throat vibrate when we talk. Now let's do a problem like the one that you are going to do. Vibrating is when something is moving back and forth very fast. True or false? So you remember that vibrating is when something is moving back and forth very fast. And so you click true. Good luck!